Transforming a bachelor's apartment, elegant design meets nature. Singapore, nestled in the vibrant East Coast, this stunning two-bedroom apartment spans 1,306 square feet and boasts the unique advantage of being on the ground floor, complete with expansive outdoor balconies and terraces that invite the beauty of nature inside. The owner, a bachelor in his 50s who has a background in retail, was inspired by his childhood in a landed property. He envisioned a home that seamlessly connects with the outdoors, allowing him to enjoy the fresh air and greenery. To bring this vision to life, the talented design director at Akiho's design studio, Puah, began by exploring how the internal and external spaces could harmonize. He noted, while the apartment features generous outdoor areas, they felt disconnected from the interior, almost like afterthoughts. Originally, the living room had a small terrace on one side, while the main balcony overlooked the two bedrooms. This layout rendered the main balcony underutilized, as it was primarily accessed during the night when the bedrooms were occupied. Additionally, the living room, being a corner unit, was cramped against a boundary wall, limiting its potential. Recognizing the need for a transformation, Mr. Puah and the owner decided to revamp the 16-year-old unit, which had seen better days despite previous renovations. They swapped the positions of the living room and kitchen with the two bedrooms, creating a more functional layout. Now, the new living room and kitchen are directly adjacent to what was once the main balcony, which has been beautifully reimagined into front and rear gardens along with an outdoor lounge. This redesign fosters a closer connection between the indoor living spaces and the outdoors, where the homeowner spends most of his time, Mr. Puah explained. This strategic shift also placed the kitchen right next to the dining room, which previously felt isolated from the rest of the apartment. To enhance the flow, a wall separating the dining room from a former guest bedroom was removed, a task that almost hit a snag when the construction team discovered steel reinforcement bars within the wall. Thankfully, a professional engineer confirmed that the wall was non-load bearing, allowing the renovation to proceed smoothly. In the kitchen, where space was at a premium, Mr. Puah introduced a suspended cabinet unit above the island, complete with a built-in, pull-out hood and recessed down lights for a modern touch. He ingeniously integrated a kitchen counter and sink into an existing bay window, using flexible pipes to navigate the plumbing challenges posed by the window's structure. The living room also features a similar bay window, transformed into a cozy, light-filled alcove that extends the living space and offers a delightful view of the garden. The master bedroom, now occupying the area where the former living room was located, boasts an L-shaped layout with an attached bathroom. It is conveniently accessible from a hallway that leads to the two bedrooms and the new living room. The guest room is designed to function independently or as part of the master suite, featuring sliding glass doors and curtains that provide privacy when needed. When the glass doors are opened and the concealed pocket sliding door at the end of the hallway is closed, the guest room and hallway seamlessly become part of the master suite, offering versatility as a study, music room, or multipurpose space. Mr. Puah noted that the owner has a fondness for timber elements and the color blue, along with an appreciation for classical designs. Keeping this in mind, he crafted an aesthetic that is both clean and modern, yet infused with classical accents. In the living room and kitchen, blue hues are beautifully complemented by wooden elements with simple moldings. The master bedroom features a blue bed head wall and white wardrobe doors, maintaining a balanced and inviting atmosphere. The bathrooms showcase blue wall tiles and white marble, adding a touch of classical elegance and luxury. Throughout the home, white cove ceilings not only enhance the design theme but also cleverly conceal existing beams resulting from the layout reconfiguration. The entire design and renovation process took approximately 6 months, culminating in the owner moving in at the beginning of 2023. This apartment is not just a living space, it's a stylish retreat that reflects the owner's personality and lifestyle, blending modern comfort with timeless elegance.